Hey, and welcome to our channel. This video features Ceuta, Spain, that we visited on our Azamara cruise from Southampton to Barcelona. Ceuta is a small Spanish enclave sitting on the north coast of Africa, just across from the Strait of Gibraltar. Most cruises sail right past this port without ever stopping, but today our Azamara itinerary brought us to this truly unique port. We weren't sure what to expect, and what we found was a fortress that felt like stepping straight back into history, so stay tuned.
Thank you. You too.
Disembarkation was a breeze, and as we passed down the gangway, we were greeted by the ship's captain and the officers. One of the great things about Ceuta is its size. From the cruise terminal, you're already in the heart of the city within minutes. You'll see Spanish cafés next to Moroccan tea shops, Catholic cathedrals alongside minarets, and a cultural mix that reflects centuries of history and its shifting borders. We quickly made it to our destination, which was the Royal Walls of Ceuta. They're perhaps the city's most iconic landmark. These fortifications have stood for more than 500 years. They were originally constructed under Portuguese rule and later expanded by the Spanish. They were designed to protect the city from both land and sea attacks. The walls once made Ceuta nearly impenetrable. The Royal Walls are massive. Walking through the gates, we really felt their scale. The thickness of the stone, the height of the ramparts, it was really easy to imagine how important this fortress would have been as Ceuta guarded the narrow and busy Strait of Gibraltar. One of the most unique and surprising features here is the navigable moat. Unlike most defensive moats that are either dry or stagnant, Ceuta's moat connects directly to the Mediterranean. So today it's crystal clear and locals even kayak through it. So standing on the bridges with the sea breeze, it's surprisingly a peaceful place despite its military past. Ceuta has always been a prize, be it the Romans, the Byzantines, the Arabs, the Portuguese, and Spaniards. They all controlled it at different points. The royal walls we're walking today were central to Spain's efforts to hold on to the city against repeated sieges. Even now, Ceuta remains a crucial gateway between Europe and Africa. As we continued our explorations, we came across a new guardian of the walls, a seagull that was not happy with our presence at all and started dive bombing us to get us to clear out of the area.
That is going to be some great video.
For us, visiting the Royal Walls was a reminder of why we cruise. We do it not just to see the big famous cities, but to discover places like this, where history feels alive and accessible. And here you can explore all at your own pace. There's hardly any crowds, and you can really soak this place in. It's great. If you have extra time after exploring the Royal Walls, Ceuta has more to offer. Just steps away, you can find the Plaza de Africa, the Cathedral of St. Mary, and of course plenty of cafes where you can grab tapas or even a Moroccan-style mint tea. It's a small city, but you know, that's the charm. Once again, we encountered the new sentinels on the wall. This time they let me know they meant business and had me ducking for cover.
He's gonna poop on me.
What's it gonna look like? He's gonna poop on you. I don't like you. Where's your hat? And he'll take it. Wait a minute, that's an expensive hat. Yeah. Is this your area?
So, should you explore Ceuta if your cruise stops here? Absolutely. Number one, we got to take our first steps on the African continent. So if that's on your bucket list, you can do that. But the Royal Walls alone make it totally worth the visit. They're beautiful, historic, and uniquely Ceuta. We're really happy we had a chance to walk them, and we think you'll love it too. Thanks for joining us on this adventure to Ceuta, Spain. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and keep following along as we ask the question, why don't we go? Take care.